Care and maintenance. After each operation, it's important to immediately clean and lubricate the handpiece. During procedures, blood and other oral fluids are sucked into the internal gears. These fluids can dry in less than a minute and cause damage to the handpiece. For instructions on how to reprocess surgical handpieces, please refer to these videos on the NSK YouTube channel. For the motor and cord, tube holder, handpiece stand, and irrigation tube holder clips, follow these steps. Always use personal protective equipment before starting the process. Remove the gray tube holder. Attach the black protection plug on the motor and cord. Clean the surface of the products under running water at about room temperature with a soft toothbrush. 1 minute for the motor, 15 seconds for the holder and the handpiece stand. Wipe the products dry using a piece of clean cloth or paper towel. Remove the protection plug from the motor and cord. You can disinfect the surface of the products using disinfectant wipes or an ethanol moistened cloth for 2 minutes. To clean and disinfect the control unit and foot control, use an ethanol moistened cloth only. Sterilization. Autoclave sterilization is recommended. Insert sterilizable components into a U.S. FDA-cleared sterilization pouch, compliant to ISO 11607-1. Seal the pouch. Use this chart for temperature and timing. Immediately after the sterilization cycle, remove the products from the autoclave and store in a clean, dry location. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.